Happy morning to all children. How is everyone? Okay, let's start today's class. Okay, children, in today's class, we are going to learn a topic known as add our points. Children, say the topic add our points. Okay, children, look at this picture. What is this? Yes, it is a balloon, right? Okay. Children, how many balloons in this? There are 5 balloons, right? How did you add, ma? How did you count? Yes, using your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise, you counted, right? Children, look at this picture. How many balloons are there? There are 2 balloons, right? 1, 2. Okay. Children, in before you saw 2 balloons, right? Here 5 balloons. So totally how many balloons? In before picture 2 balloons, in this picture 5 balloons. So 5 plus 2, 5, take 2 fingers, 6, 7. Okay, so there are 7 balloons, right? If you add means you using your hand, you using your brain and you can add, right? But in this chapter, some of the animals are playing. Okay, they use some other method to add. Let's start. Okay, let's see in this chapter. Okay, children, take a book, turn to the page number 76. Okay, add our points. Toss the ball. Animals of the forest are playing. Turn by turn, they toss the ball on their bats until it falls. Each player gets 2 turns and Bunny Rabbit adds their points. But do you know how he adds? Children, carefully note the points. There are animals in the forest. Okay, some of the animals started playing. What game means they use their bat and ball to toss the ball. Okay, they have 2 turns. Children, how many of you played cricket? Yes, so in cricket we use bat and ball, right? That animals use their bat and ball to toss the ball. Look at the first picture. Tortoise use the ball and started tossing the ball, right? So they have 2 turns. What is meant by turn, ma'am? If they each player have 2 turns. If it first time they out means they got another time to play. That is only turn by turn they toss the ball on their bat until it falls. Okay, out means if the ball falls down, it take it as out. Okay, so underline the word, take your pencil and underline the word Bunny Rabbit adds their point. Note the point, animals are playing, only rabbit only take their points and totaling. Okay children, carefully note the point. Okay, but here one line. But do you know how he adds? Children, we are adding means we use our hands, fingers, brain. We use these and we can add, right? But here Bunny Rabbit use one more trick to add. Okay, children, come to the first conversation. You toss the ball 14 times. Bunny saying, okay, I have one more turn. He is saying tortoise first time out, the tortoise got 14 points. Okay, then only 7 tosses this time. Next turn they have, right? At second turn the tortoise got 7 mark. Okay, so totally Bunny Rabbit total and more point, right? So here come to last para. Bunny adds on the snake to add 14 and 7. Bunny stands on 14, jumps 7 steps forward, he reaches 21. You can also add points on the snake. Children, look at this picture. Okay, in your book, one snake is there, right? What is the color? Green, right. How many of you saw the snake in your street? Okay, children, look at the picture. In the top of the snake, there are numbers. Okay, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or you get it, children? Up to how many numbers were there? 63 numbers in the tail of the snake, ending 63 number, right? Look at the picture. How he adds. Okay, Banu Rabbit, how he adds means, the tortoise got first turn 14, right? He stand on the 14 from the snake, okay? And he jumps to the 7 steps forward. They get the answer. Okay, so in stands on the 14. Next what? 15. We use the finger means 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We leave the fingers, right? But here Banu Rabbit move 7 steps forward. Then he got the answer 21. Or you get it, children? How he Children, turn to the page number 77. Okay, so in this box, all the animals are played. Okay, so only the 2 turns, each animal have 2 turns, right? In each boxes, the 2 turns marks are take place. Okay, carefully listen. We have to add and fill it. Okay, children, what are the animals are there? Elephant, lion, tortoise, yes, monkey, yes, next, cat, deer. Very good, children. Okay, let us add. Okay, I show how will you add. Okay, children, take a rough note with pencil. Okay, here look what I wrote in board. Ones, tens. You write, take a pencil and write ones place, tens place. This is one method to add the numbers. Okay, children, first look 16 plus 7. What will come? You take the 16 number and fill in tens place first and ones place. Okay, next you in 16 in down you write 7 is there. So in before 7 you add 0. Okay, from 1 to 9 numbers you will come means, if you saw means, you add 0 to before the 1 to 9 numbers. So here 7 is there. So you add 0. Okay, you put the 7 in ones place and 0 in tens place. Then you add first ones place, children. Carefully listen. You add the ones place first. What is the ones place here? 6, 7. 7 plus 6, what will come? 7 plus 6, 13. Here I wrote 3 in down, 1 is in carry over. Okay, in top, in this place. Okay, children, or you get it? In the circle I wrote 1. Here in circle 1 and in down 1. 1 plus 1, 2. What will get? Answer is 23. You take the 23 and fill in the box. Okay, children, listen here. What will come? Answer is 23. You take the 23 and fill it here. 16 plus 7 equal to 23. Children, look at here. Okay, in your rough note, take and write these numbers. Okay, children, you next 18 plus 10. Okay, write in first row 18 and next row 10. You add first ones place, children. Carefully listen. Okay, so 8 plus 0 is 8. Children, 8 plus 0. Any number plus 0. Okay, any number plus 0 equal to that number will come. Okay, what you add, that number will come. Okay, children, or you get it? Next, here you come to tens place. 1 plus 1 equal to 28. Okay, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So, totally 18 plus 10. What will get? 28. You take a pencil. Children, here you enter the 28 in the box. Okay, children, or you get it? Children, next write 19 and in down write 15. Okay, at the ones place 9 plus 5, 14 will come. You put the 4 here and up 1. So add 3 is come. Okay, so 19 plus 15 equal to 34. You take the 34 and write in the box in your book. Okay. Children, take your 34 number and enter in this box. Okay, children? Children, next you write 49 plus 13. Children, this is one method to add. If big numbers or comments, how did you add? We cannot use our hands. Okay, so you take that number and put like this. Okay, write like this and you can add. Okay, it is easy method to add. Okay, children, 9 plus 3, 12 come. So 1 is in a top and you put down in 2. Okay, so we come to next tens place. 4 plus 1 5 and one more is in up. So 6. Totally 49 plus 13 equal to 62. Take that number and write in your book. Okay, children? Children, take that 62 number and write inside the box. Okay, children? Or you get it? Children, next you take that number 14 plus 7. Okay, add what will come? 21. Take the 21 number and write it inside the box in your book, page number 77. Okay, children? Children, take other number 33 and 11. Okay, this big number we cannot use the hands and add, right? So that you use this method in your rough note. Okay, children? 33, 11. First, you only add, okay, use ones place. Okay, in the top I wrote once. Okay, or you get it, children? 3 plus 1, 4. And next we come to tens place. 3 plus 1, 4. And totally 33 plus 11 equal to 44. Take these number and where did you write, children? In your book, take these numbers and write it. Okay, children? Or you understand? Children, in your book, 77 page number, you look at this box. Okay, so we had add this number. Okay, we finished, right? So what is the question they ask? Who won the game? How did you find, ma? Won the game means who is getting very more marks. Then only they got first prize, right? So which is the bigger number in this square box, small square box? 62 is bigger, right? Who got? Elephant. Elephant having that box, right? 62. So you take a pencil and write in first blank line, elephant. 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 Next you see another question. Who lost the game? Children, lost means who got very low marks. Children, here 21 is low mark, right? Comparing to other number, 21 is low mark. Who having this? Tortoise is having this board. So take a pencil and write TORTOISE, tortoise. Children, or you understand? Children, in the page 77 in down you see, and also who is the winner in this game, ma? Elephant is winner. So the winner got bananas from Banu. Okay, children, or you get it? What is the prize? Bananas. Okay, next we come to another para. Okay, Prabha is going to her grandmother who lives in the next village. Okay, she wants to take 15 kg sugar cane, 7 kg apples and 8 kg tomatoes. Okay, children, what is the meaning? Kg, kilogram. Okay, did you go for any shop? Means how will you bought the sugars? You asking kilogram, 1 kg, 5 kg. So that only here using kgs. Okay, children, she has to cross a river. In the boat she can take 25 kg weight. Children, carefully listen. Okay, only 25 kg she having only. She cross a river. Okay, children, or you get it? We can Add these numbers 15, 7, 8. What will get? Let us show. I show, okay? Children, look at this. Total weight of fruits and vegetable equal to 15 kg. We saw, right? You take that number only, 15 plus 7 plus 8. How did you add, children? 15 in the mind. Take 7 finger. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Next 22. Keep the 22 in the number in brain, okay? In the mind, and take 8 finger. What did you have in brain? 22. So 22 in the brain, take 8 finger. After 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So answer is 30. So only the maximum weight that can be carried by the boat equal to 25 only. But we got 30 kg, right? So answer is no. Prabha cannot carry all the things in the boat. Children, take your pencil and write it in down, okay? No. Answer is no. Prabha cannot carry all the things in the boat. Children, or you get it? Children, turn to the page number 78. Here, this time the kangaroo, chimpanzee, deer, giraffe and tiger came to play. Children, listen. In first, what are the animals at play? Yes, lion, tortoise, elephant, monkey, cat, deer, right? So in this time, there are some more animals played, okay? Kangaroo, chimpanzee, deer, giraffe and tiger. But the tiger lost the game. Children, note the point. Tiger lost the game. What is the meaning lost? Out, okay? So he rubbed off some points in anger. Children, have you all have this type of experience with you? If you got out means, how did you do? How did you feel? You feel anger, right? What is meaning anger? It feel like a frustrated, right? That, okay? Like that, okay? You feel anger. So what will you do? You close the game and go to out or do beat, right? Like that. But here tiger rubbed the points. Note the point, okay? So write the missing points. Who is the winner this time? Children, note the point. Here miss the points, missing numbers or box, okay? How will you find? How will you find 16 and equal to 21? How will you find? Wait, I show, okay? Children, take your pencil and write these numbers in your rough note. Children, first look, circle, okay? In your book, compare your book. In the box, there is no number. I only here mentioned it that, okay? In the circle, no number. In your book, in your box, there is no number. Okay, first you fill the tens ones place, okay? Numbers. Then you see the arrow mark in the right side. I wrote tens ones place, right? How will you find means you put that bigger number in up top. What is the bigger number in 16 and 21? 21 is bigger number. You put first 21. First arrow, okay? Next you put 16, okay? So 21 is bigger number and comparing to 21, 16 is smaller number. So in down, you fill it 16. Here look, okay children? I am telling about these numbers only. So 21 minus 16, how will you subtract? There is no way, okay? So we use first ones place. 1, 6. 1 minus 6. Okay, if this small number minus bigger number means we can borrow from left side. In 2 we can borrow means 1 become 11 here. Children, or you get it? Okay, here it's 5 here, okay? Note the point. Next, this 2 become 1 because you give 1 to 1's place, okay? So if we gave to 1 to 1's place, so that 2 become 1. In the bracket I wrote, okay children? Note the points, okay? 1 minus 1, 0. Any number minus number, 0. Okay, okay children, or you get it? Please listen carefully and write in your rough note. And take this 5, okay, 0, 5. You take this number and write in your book. Children, what will you get? 5. You take that 5 and fill it in box. Okay, children? Next we move to another numbers. Children, next we move to another numbers. You first see the circle. Compare to your book. In the box, there is no number. I only circled here. Okay, there is no number and you wrote 8. Why I am putting 0 here? From 1 to 9 numbers, okay, there is one digit number, so that we can add 0 in before one digit numbers. Okay, children? So, the answer is 32 we got in the box. Okay, children? Take your pencil and write in your rough note, children. And next, here 32, 8. Bigger number will go up, smaller number 8 is in. Okay, children? 32 minus 8. Children, listen here, okay? 32 minus 8. Carefully listen. So, we have to use first ones place. What is in the ones place? 2 and 8, right? So, 2 comparing to the 8, 2 is low. Less number, okay? So, we have to borrow from 3. Okay, so it will become 12. 12 minus 8. In down bracket, you look, children. 12 minus 8, what will come? 4. 12 in the brain. Okay, leave 12 in the hand. 12 in the hand. Leave 12 numbers and less 8 numbers. What are the missing hands? You fold the 12 in the 12 fingers. You have to fold the 8 fingers. Okay, next, what is in straight? 4 numbers. You put in down 4. Next, 3 become 2 because he gave 1 to one's place. So, 2 minus 0. Any number minus 0, that same number will come, 24. Or you get it, children? 32 minus 8 equal to 24. You take this number and wrote in your book. Write in your book, okay, children? Children, look here. You fill it in box 24. Or you get it? Children, next move to another box. In the box, 16 plus 13 equal to what will come? Number is missing. Total only we have to totaling. So 16 you wrote first row and 13 you wrote. Okay, in your note. I wrote in board. Okay, you look. So you can add first ones place. 6 plus 3, 9 in down. 1 plus 1, 2. So totally 16 plus 13 equal to 29. Take that number. You please write in the book. Okay, children? Children, next look at the other box. So, in your book, there is no number in the small box. And 5 is there, equal to 35. So, I here circled it. There is no number and put 5, equal to 35. Next, in the right side, what will do, children? Which is the bigger number? 35 will up and smaller number 5 in down. So, 35 minus 5 equal to 30. Already get it, children? Children, take this number and write it in your book. 16 plus 13 equal to 29. 30 plus 5 equal to 35. Already get it, children? Next, we move to lost box. Children, in the lost box, 23 is number in the book. And next box, there is no number. I circled here. And equal to 30 is there. Right? So, which is 30 and 23, which is bigger? 30. So, you put 30 in right side and in down 23. First, we have to see ones place. 0 there. Okay, 0 minus 3, we can't add. Okay, so we borrow from tens place, another number 3. We have to borrow from 3. So 0 become 10. Okay, 10 minus 3 equal to what? In down bracket, I did it. You look, okay. So 10 minus 3, we get 7. And next 2. 3 become 2 because we gave 1 to other one's side. Okay. So 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Children, carefully listen and do in rough note. Okay. Then only you clear from your adding. Okay, children. What will come? 7. Take the 7 and enter in the book. Okay. Children, or you enter it? 7. Okay. So, in comparing to the every numbers 21, 32, 29, 35, 30, monkey is the winner. because they got 35 mark. Okay children, or you get it? Monkey and chimpanzee are all same only. Okay. So monkey is the winner this time. Or you get it children? Children, turn to the page number 79. Here look, heads and tails. Children, what is head? What is tail? Do you have any coins with you? Take that coin. Okay. Children, look. Here in the coin, there is one picture is inside the coin. That is head. Okay, we call it as head. Then tail means in the 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin. Like that they mentioned. So that is only tail. Okay. Or you get it children? Take any coin in your home and see first. Okay. Children, now you see the first para. Have you seen the two sides of a rupee coin? Which side is one? Children, or you guess it? Which side is one? Yes, tail region is one. Right. Samina and Sadi caught playing. Who are all play? Samina and Sadi. Or you get it children? The board has numbers from 1 to 99. Children, look down. There is numbers in the orange color box. Right. In your book. There is number in start. START. From start place there is numbers are there. Okay. Each player has a button. Children, listen carefully. Each player has number. Has button. They'll toss a coin. Children, you have to toss the coin first. Okay. Next, if it is head, the button moves 10 steps. Children, if you tossing, you got head means you have to move 10 steps forward. Move forward. Okay. From 1 means you move to 10th place. Next, so if Samina is on 6, children, Samina is on 6. She moves to 16. If she get tails, she moves only 1 step. Children, now this is play with your friends. Okay, in your free time. This is one game. You call your friend, take your book and use your coin and move move to the one. You only one person stand on 6 and another person stand on some other place. Okay, you choose it first. Next, now you also play this game. The one who reaches home first wins the game. Is there a shortcut for 10 steps? Children, look here. Okay, two persons are playing, Samina and Sadiq. Okay, likewise, you call your friend and start play in your free time. Or you get it, children? Children, turn to the page 80. Look, Chintu and Mintu went shopping. They bought some things. To pay, they used notes and coins, but only 2 at a time. Children, carefully listen. Who are all they went shop? Chintu and Mintu. They bought some things. Children, if you're going to any shop means, what did you buy? Some notes, books, playthings, bags. Likewise, you bought, right? Likewise, they also bought. To pay, they used notes and coins, but only 2 at a time. Children, carefully underline line. Only at 2 at a time. Okay, 2 at a time. They used buy means they used notes and coins only. Okay, children, carefully listen. Next, we move to another question. Out of these, which two can they use to buy the things below? They can use the same note or coin more than one time. We have to find it. Okay, children, look at the boxes. In the first bat, rupees 20 rupees. How did they play? How did they bought? Rupees 10 and rupees 10. Okay, only at a time. 2 at a time, right? So that only you fill it there. In book itself, answer is that. Next, I show how will you find. Okay. Children, take your pencil and write in the box. Okay. So next you see one book is there. Rupees 10. How did they buy? How did they bought, ma? So 5 and 5. And next ball is there. Rupees 40. Rupees 20. Rupees 20. Okay. You divide and write. Next, rupees 60 is the dress rupees is 60. You write rupees 50 and 10. Next, we come to another doll, rupees 25. How did they bought? Rupees 20 and 5. Or you get it, children? Children, turn to the page number 81. Look at here. Velu, what are you doing? Oh, you can add these without writing. Akka, please help me add. Start from 7 and count 5 more to make 12. Then add 3 more. You get 15. Children, look at this blackboard. 5 plus 7 plus 3 equal to what? Children, in page 76, in one snake, right? You can use that snake also. You first stand on 7 and move 2 steps forward 5, and next we move steps 3. Okay, forward 3 steps, and we can get the answer 15. And also you use the first 7 in the mind and next 5 finger. Leave after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You keep the 12 in mind and take 3 finger. After 12, 13, 14, 15. You got the answer. You write that number. So in book itself they gave. Okay. And children, next you see another conversation. I can also add 7 and 3 first to get 10 and then 5. Children, look at here. First we keep that 7 in mind and next take 3 finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 will come, right? Next you keep the 10 in mind and take 5 finger. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Or you get it, children? Next you do this. Okay, take your pencil and write. Here 5 plus 5 plus 7. Also you look that snake picture and also add. Or you do mentally, children. Mentally means you keep the numbers in mind and use your fingers and add. I will show the answers. Okay, children? Children, how many of you got correct? Yes, these are answers you take and write. Okay, you do by mentally or use the snake and write. Snake and do. Okay, you can add these 2 methods. Okay, use the 2 methods and add. Okay, or you get it, children? Children, turn to the page number 82. Here, the lizard moves from one hole to another. As it moves, it eats insect hidden in the hole. The number of insects in each hole is shown. The lizard can move only along the lines. Children, look at this picture. What they told means, in every numbers or how many insects are there. Here 1 means inside the box, inside the hole, 1 insect is there. 2 means 2 insects are there. 6 means 6 insects are in hole. Or you get it, children? 9 means how many insects? 9 insects are there. Okay, children? So lizard only moves through the lines only. Okay, they can't jump or okay, they can't zigzag. They move like only lines. Or you get it, children? Next we move to starting from the blue hole. In the picture, the lizard goes to 3 holes to eat 18 insects. Children, in the blue hole there are 3 insects. Okay, from 3 insects they move from 1 and 9 likewise. Okay, so they ate 18 insects. In the first answer is there. Next question is, what path can the lizard take to eat 12 insects? Children, listen. We have to fill that circles. How many insects are there? Okay, I show the answers. Children, look. These are answers. You take and write. Take a pencil and write. 2 plus 1 plus 9 equal to 12. 2 plus 1 will get 3. 3 plus 9 will get 12. Or you get it? Next we come to second box. Second circles. 8 plus 3 plus 9 equal to 20. Okay, 8 plus 3 we got 12. 12 plus 9, 12. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. Okay, next we move to path taken by lizard to 18 insects. To eat 18 insects. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 8, 9 in the mind. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 in the mind plus 1, 18. Okay, children? Next we have to fill it. 2 is it in the last circle, in the last row, first circle, 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 6 equal to 12. Or you get it, children? Children, turn to the page 83. Okay, this is Samina and Sadiq Kodno playing another game on the board of heads and tails. Children, do you know about what? Right? Head region is in picture, tail region is number, right? They throw 2 dice and add the numbers to get their points. Children, you too can play this game. Throw a dice and write your points. See who is the first to reach home. Children, here there are 2 persons, Samina and Sadiq. They are playing. How many points are these? Okay. Look at this box. Begin at and points and dice. Throw 1 means first throw, what will get. Next, throw 2 means second throw, what will get. Okay. You in free time you do this. Okay, you play with your friends. Okay, children. Children, you combine with your friend and play with this game. Okay, children. Let's stop here. Thank you, children. Bye.